bring them around. As they're going to wind up into turn 3 and 4. They come. Green flag, and we're racing.
And it's 211 of Kevin Memley holding the pace.
Yellow flag. Our flagman, I don't think, liked the start.
Yeah, that's a good possibility.
Well, you didn't jinx him.
Why not? We've been doing it all night long.
You know, I'd love to see a caution-free race at this point. Here we go. Let's try it again, Kevin. Here they come. Green flag, and we're racing. Maybe. And it looks good. Kevin Memley trying to pull away from everybody. Here comes Christian Jansen. Whoa, there goes the 71 car. I think, believe that who that is. Yeah, it's Jeff Sevey. And he's backwards, and he gets hit by Jared Neal. And guess what, Eric?
It's official.
It's official. That would be a caution for the race. As Jared Neal, Jared, you left your bumper. Jared, you got to go back and get your bumper, buddy.
Yeah, you left your bumper, maybe part of the wheel well.
All right, lights on the car corner, pace the car out. We're going to do it again. Kevin Memley in the 211 car with Josh Sevey right next to him. We're picking up speed. Here they come. Let's go do it again. Here they come. Green flag, and we're racing. As Kevin Memley's going to try to pull away his... Oh, hang on to it, Dakota Spray. As the 21 of Josh Steelman almost got into him. Christian Jansen looking to the inside of Sevey.
Yeah, Spray in that 89's kind of all over the track, high, low. I wonder if he's having some sort of control problems in there as well. But it's still the 211 of Kevin Memley out front.
Here comes Josh Sevey right behind him in that Monte Carlo. But Christian Jansen is closing this opportunity to grab him on the inside as Christian Jansen is now on the inside of Sevey.
Yeah, we've seen a few cars do very well on the low side, drive it hard, drive it fast, and Jansen is one of those right now.
Josh Sevey looks like he's already given Kevin Memley a push as Josh Sevey needs to pick a lane here to go ahead and challenge Kevin Memley for the lead. Remember, the top two go on. Everybody else still has to race their way in.
Oh, we got trouble over here in turns 1 and 2. I was talking about the 89 machine of Dakota Spray having some driving issues, and that issue will come to an end as he's stuck in the middle of turn 2.
You know what I was thinking? Because we did. The lights in the car corner are out now. Kevin Memley in the 211 car is going to bring them around as they are now entering the Raw Steel Collision Center restart zone. Here they come. Green flag, and we're racing.
And Memley likes to be out front, and he'll stay out front as the battle is for second place between Sevey and Jansen.
Jansen bringing the heat on Sevey. Sevey's trying to get right up on Kevin Memley. Kevin Memley knows the track. Sevey goes around all on his own. Whoa, 157 runs to the high outside. Woo! So just like that, Sevey spins out, and that was a major race back to the start-finish line as Christian Jansen, 5 in the books, 10 to go. They are now getting ready to enter the Raw Steel Collision Center restart zone. Here they come. Green flag, we're racing.
And the battle will begin out front again. Kevin Memley in that 211 machine.
Here comes Jansen to bring the heat on to Memley.
We've seen these two battle before early on in this race, and here we go again. This ought to be fun to the finish.
Oh, watching the turn as Jansen's going to try to make his move on Memley. Here we go. Jansen looking hard on the inside. He seems to come up on Memley when he does that. Then Memley pulls away just a little bit. Here goes Jansen again. Will he do it this time? Oh, Memley pulls away again, but then Jansen catches him in the turns, especially in 1 and 2. Looks like he loses a little bit in 3 and 4.
Memley's still hanging on.
8 in, 7 to go for Kevin Memley or Christian Jansen. as now they're going to run into lap traffic. The 79 of Scott Belfius is going to have to move to the inside. Christian Jansen just saw that, tucked in right behind Memoli. He's going to try it again. He's not giving. Wow, here comes Jansen. Oh, Eric, I don't know who's going to win this race. This is going to be close. A little more lap traffic out there.
Yeah, get rid of those. You already got one car in the grass over there, the 71 of Josh Sevy, so he's checked out of this one. And door to door they go along the backstretch. Memoli and Jansen. Jansen and Memoli. It's been Memoli the whole time.
We're down to 4. Who wants it most? Memoli or Jansen? Here comes Jansen.
They both advance. Regardless, top 2. But somebody wants the first. Somebody wants to hold that flag.
They want to be out there in the Bahamas in the picture, Eric.
Yeah, it's the tiki torches that drives them out.
That or the palm trees, I don't know. All right, here we go. 12 in, 13 in now, 2 to go. Kevin Memoli hanging on. Jansen running into lap traffic again. Here we go. White flag out this time by for Kevin Memoli or Christian Jansen. All right, it's all or nothing. Christian Jansen, can you do it? You got the horsepower, can you do it? Kevin Memoli pulls away again. Jansen's back at it. Rockford Speedway, who's going to win this race? Oh, it's going to be Memoli.
Kevin Memoli, your winner in the 211 car. The 431 of Christian Jansen in second. Dakota Spray.
Eric, that may have been my favorite race of the night. That was a good race.
That was tight. We'll finish in third, the 21 of Josh Steelman in fourth, and rounding up your top 5, the 79 of Scott Beltius.
So that would be AAA bracket, bash number 2. We are moving on to 4A bracket, bash number 1. So Kevin Memoli, normally driving a Monte Carlo, switches gears, runs a Monte Carlo, normally, and now he's in a Camaro.
I got a feeling he likes that Camaro a little bit better, doesn't he?
Well, he did get a win at the end of the year, if I remember, on championship
Correct.
night here at the Rockford Speedway.
He was due.
He got his first feature win of the year in that Sportsman division.
Yeah, he was so due all year long, too.
Yep.
All the struggles that he was having prior to the year before that, the success that he had.
A former track champion here at the Rockford Speedway, the 2018 Mountain Dew Kickstart Roadrunner champion. Helmets off. He's getting ready to get out. Make some noise. It's Kevin Memoli.